Yeah. Yeah. We're still wanting to make sure that nothing is touching. Pretty critical. Now, it needs coolant. It needs a way to keep everything cool. If you didn't, it would burn that journal pretty quick, basically. And remember when I said eyes, ears, those are really important things? I want you to listen here in just a minute. You're going to hear, before this crank starts grinding, you'll know it's getting ready to touch. You're going to hear a hissing noise. And you just listen for it. You'll hear that, and then you'll start to see some sparks as it begins to grind. If you just listen, you'll hear the change in the tone of the water. You already hear a little different. Now, just before it started grinding, you can hear that hiss. Okay, now I'm going to back it off a little bit. Get over next to that radius. When it gets a little touchy, you hear noise, you know you got to jump back. Yes, exactly. Now that noise you hear there, if you can see it, it's hitting on the side of the crank journal. And we're going to actually go in now and bring it in with just touches. You see the sparks are actually over in that far left-hand corner. We're just cleaning up the radius. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my steady rest on there so we can begin to give it a place to